What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the live stream 1212. If everything sounds good, if the music's too loud, which it looks like it is, I'll turn it down. So happy Friday, everybody. It's been a while since we've done a live stream. Here, get one out of the way here. Looks like a couple people in the chat. More people will probably show up later as we get going. So yeah, BTC guys, what is going on with BTC? Here we go. We got some people absolutely nuts, running into all-time high resistance right now. That's insane. All-time high resistance for BTC. So are we going to run or are we not? That's the question, right? That is the question. Welcome James, welcome Rising Sun. We got Martin in the house. Welcome everybody. So BTC right now, man, testing the lifelong resistance channel. Insane. Halving's not even here yet, guys. Unfortunately on the day chart here, we had a lighter candle. But I'm more focused on the 3-day. The 3-day is bullish AF. The 3-day is absolutely insanely bullish. We're not even overbought on the RSI yet on the 3-day. We're not even printing a sell signal yet on the WTX either. That's nuts. And we're running into all-time high resistance. Day chart, however, we did print a sell signal. We did flash red on the RSI, and the MACD is starting to cool off. So I think we're most likely to see a slight pullback here for BTC. We'll see though. We'll see. I'm surprised we just ran up through this area so quickly. I mean, honestly, there's a pretty good price volume gap right here in the price volume cloud. You can see as soon as we entered that, we ran right up to that resistance area. I just think the indicator is just a little too hot here on the day chart. So we'll see. And if you do the fib extensions from our recent high to the bear market bottom, yeah, it has that 786 as the support around 48. I don't think we're going back down to 48. I don't think we're going back down to 48 at all for BTC. So we're just kind of chatting about BTC till we get some more viewers in here, and then we can start looking at some altcoins. But I mean, BTC is consolidating right here, and it's looking like it's going to be consolidating within a symmetrical triangle. I mean, if BTC consolidates in a symmetrical triangle like this, that is so bullish. And then if it breaks out, it goes the length of the flagpole, which is right here. That would send BTC to new all-time highs. That breakout would bring BTC up to 77,000. You know, very similar to what happened the last couple times here. You can see we had a symmetrical triangle form right here on BTC. Then we had our flagpole right here. And you broke out. You went to the flagpole and a little bit further on the breakout back in January 2024. And then this breakout right here, similar situation, just a very, very tight pennant forming right there. And then once you broke out there, you went the length of this flagpole. Boom, boom. Yeah, you actually went right up to the top of that flagpole breakout right here to 63,000. So, I mean, if we have a similar situation that we've had the last two times here in these symmetrical triangle breakouts, that breakout will bring BTC up to around 77,000. That's crazy. That is nuts. I mean, the 4-hour chart's looking good too. I mean, you're about ready to flip. Well, not about ready to flip bullish. You're losing your bearish momentum on the MACD. RSI is looking good. WTX is looking good. But we'll just see. I mean, Bitcoin has never made an all-time high before the halving. How crazy would that be if we made an all-time high before the halving? Hello, good sir. Welcome, Kevin. Rocky went up like 100%. Yeah, Baby Pepe went up like 300% since we found it. Baby Pepe's just been flying. So I found Baby Pepe the day that it launched, and I posted on our Discord channel. That thing's just been running. So Rocky's been running too, you say, huh? Good old Rocky. Well, let's get into the altcoins now. Altcoins are way more fun to chart than BTC. Load. Yep, 66% today. This is the Solana coin, right? Yeah, it is a Solana coin. Yo, yeah, you pumped. You pumped hard. Congrats. Let's see what fib you ran into. Let's see what's Bacon of Hope. I love that name. I love that name, Bacon of Hope. What's up, brother? Yeah, Rocky actually broke above the 236 right here. Did you break above it, or are you testing it right now? Let's see. No, you broke above it here. Yeah, you're still bullish on your MACD too. Get the volume out of here. No one uses volume anymore. Yeah, you're still bullish on it too. RSI is a little high, but you have gone higher several different times, so I wouldn't be too concerned. I think Rocky has a good chance of continuing its run. Looks like the next resistance area for Rocky is around horizontal line, around 5500 micro pennies. So that is going to be your area of resistance to overtake. And if you happen to break over 5.5, it's going to continue up to that 382 area. So if we happen to break above 5.5, this thing will run another 33%. So I would give the chance, you know, another 44% run for Rocky. Rocky's definitely looking like it's coming back from the dead for sure. But just keep an eye on this resistance area. That's pretty much the last resistance area until takeoff, until the 382. So yeah, congrats. Rocky's looking solid. Another coin that we found, look at this coin, guys. We found it at 100,000 market cap right here. I think, yeah, this is it. Yeah, I got this not even a minute after it launched, and everyone who was in my Discord, I let them know before launch as well. So if you haven't already, make sure you join my Discord. My Discord channel link is below in the description. Yeah, we've already gotten a 7x out of this bad boy, and it's still going. It's still going. It's pretty much a replication of Baby Bonk. They're pretty much doing everything that Baby Bonk did when that first came out, with the callers and the heavy marketing and everything like that. It's not even at $1 million market cap. We'll see though, man. But yeah, I think this is a great coin right here. High risk, high reward, right? I like the circulation of Rocky has. Hell, we got 14 people in the chat. We're popping today. We're Mr. Popular today. 14 people in the chat. Let's go. Grok. Actually, let's look at Grok on here because there's a lot more data on Grok. Yo, Grok bottomed. Grok's gearing up to rock and roll. Let's see. Let's toss some MACD on here and some RSI. Yeah, man, Grok's looking solid. Holy crap, these are huge. Why are these huge? Fib top to the bottom right here. You wicked right to the 382, got rejected on the day chart. Currently seeing a slight correction. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we'll get a little bit more data. And it does look like Grok did top out at the 382. We are going to experience a slight pullback. Probably nothing crazy. I would probably expect a pullback down to 9 cents and then a continuation to the upside. Something like this in the continuation. But yeah, you did get stopped out at that 382 area, which if you look in the past, you did experience some support and resistance. So it has had prior price volatility around that 10 cents area, not 10 cents, 1 cent area. 1-1. But yeah, Grok's looking like it's about ready to make its second wave. That means bull run here. Yeah, bull run's been here. It's now just getting fun though. It's now entering the fun part of the bull run, where you can throw money at almost anything and it sticks. Yeah, Grok's definitely looking good. Definitely bottom. Now it's entering its bull run phase. A lot of meme coins when they first come out have a huge parabolic run and then they have a huge lull. and then they start going absolutely nuts after that. A lot of coins, when you look at them, if you zoom in on their charts, will look like that. You know, they have the initial pre-sailers that go up and sell, and then you have the rest of the pre-sailers and the FOMO that kicks in, and then it finally retraces, and you just get average buyers. The buyers spread out, and the money gets kind of you know, spread out as well. And that's the best thing to happen for a coin, and then you can actually start moving normally instead of this manipulated up and down. Instead of the manipulated up and down. So you said Grok. So Grok's looking awesome. ACH to the moon. ACH to the moon. 1 2 1 2. Yeah, ACH broke out of its Coinbase downtrend that's been in since its all-time high of August of 2021. So multi-year resistance downtrend has been broken for ACH, which is insane. So yeah, ACH is gearing up for its first steps of the bull run as well. On the day chart, however, you do have a sell signal on the WTX. The MACD doesn't look strong, and the RSI is a little overbought. So I'm thinking in the meantime for ACH, we might see a slight correction. Oh shoot. Probably to verify this breakout, which would be top to the bottom right here, which would most likely be a retest of that 618 at around 2.4. That's what I would see ACH do. 2.4 test, and then we continue to the upside. Yeah, I think that's definitely what ACH is going to do, because you can see it a triple top right here at that 618, and you guys are above it right now. So I think one more test of that 618 as support, and if that holds, man, you better have that moon suit dusted off and laundered, because ACH will start moving. But yeah, I'd say ACH is in the first steps of his bull run for sure. Must feel great breaking out of a multi-year downtrend. Not much, got to get out of here in a bit. Well, thanks for stopping in, Bacon. Bonk, bonk to the moon. Bonk to the moon. Oh, we don't want the Coinbase chart. No, we don't. We want the MEXC chart. Yep, still not above the red box. Still not above the red box. So I made a video on this yesterday. So if you want to view that video yesterday, it's still at play. We do not want to get rejected at this red box for bonk. I'll repeat that. We do not want to get rejected at this red box, because that would confirm a double top, and that would just be horrible for bonk. Not unfortunately, but thankfully we are not in a bear market anymore. So I don't think that's going to happen. I think bonk's gearing up to make a massive rally, a secondary run, as one would say. And it's going to be massive. You know, you have this huge continuation pattern going here. You have your flagpole. That breakout would bring you up to that 1618 perfectly at around 002. So that means bonk still has a possible, it's going to sound crazy, a possible 77x left in the tank. It's going to be one of those big dog meme coins in the bull run for sure. Yeah, baby bonk might do another 77x. I'm not even joking. That would bring it up to what? About $80 billion market cap. Yeah, it'd be crazy. ACH to $2? Maybe. But yeah, for bonk, keep an eye on that red box. That red box is the storyteller. You want to get through that. You do not want to get rejected there at all. Let me look at ACH real quick again. $2 would actually be all the way up. That would be above the 1618. Well, I mean, if you actually go off the lifelong, I want to see if what the $2 fib area is. Yeah, $2. 225 is the 1618. I say about 85 to 90% of the times coins hit their 1618. If you draw from their bull run top to bear market bottom, the next rally usually brings them up to the 1618, unless they put a shit ton of coins in circulation during the bear market. So as long as ACH didn't put a crap ton more coins in circulation, that 1618 blow off top is definitely possible up here at around $2 to $2.25. That's some hopium right there. We're sipping on some moon juice tonight, boys. What about SHX? SHX still in that symmetrical triangle. Wow, it is getting ready anytime now. Yeah, we could just see something like this until the peak and then a blow off. But anytime, I think ACH will probably see a large movement before the 4th of March. Not ACH, I mean SHX, before the 4th of March. So if we break out of this downtrend resistance area, man, then it's go time. SHX, we're either just going to consolidate within this triangle until the peak, or we're going to be heading up here and get ready to rock and roll. I think it's just going to be a repeat of the last 2 times we did it. You know, tight consolidation, and then large move to the upside, which would bring us up to around that 3.8 cents, 1236 area for stronghold. Yeah, so if stronghold breaks out here to the upside, I would make the assumption that it would go up to the 1236, which is a 2.8x from where we're currently at. Yeah, man. Actually, SHX is looking really good. You got a double buy signal down here. I didn't see that. You got a double buy signal on the 29th. The RSI is still in the downtrend, but we'll pretend we didn't see that. That actually broke out. You're back testing it right now. So hopefully that holds and then you start rallying. But yeah, SHX, I give it a couple days. Next week we should start moving for SHX. Yeah, I'll call it now. Next week, SHX is going to be making some moves. I had my bag from 2021. Won't happen this time. I'm a cheat it. Yeah, I bought ACH. I bought ACH 2 days before it got listed on Coinbase, and then I wrote it up to 24 cents, and then I wrote it down to 8 cents. Yeah, that was fun. I made some profit off of it. But yeah. We've all been there before. We've all done that. You know, you're like, oh man, I'm making money, I'm ready to get out, and then you just hold way too long. That's why you gotta have a plan. When you hit your price, just get out. Just get out. Oh, PNG to the moon. Well, PNG's playing out as predicted so far. Slight retracement. We haven't touched the 618 yet. Indicators are losing their bearish momentum, but regardless of that, since we are on the bearish side of the MACD, we still could move down with the MACD starting to lose its bearish momentum as well. Our bearish momentum. RSI is looking strong as well, starting to flatline. So there's 2 different situations. Either this is the bottom for PNG right here and we're getting ready to rock and roll, or it's going to have one more scan wick down to the 618 and then we're going to rock and roll. And I think we're most likely to see that wick down to the 618. Now, we don't need a hard candle, which means you don't need the body of the candle to come all the way down the 618. It can just throw a wick down here. And once we touch that 618, that should be go time for PNG. And we should start rallying back up. But man, PNG has been on an absolute run. Absolute run. That is crazy. The day chart is actually, the day chart's very bearish. So that kind of confirms that retracement down to the 618. So I'd be keeping an eye on that 618 at 35 cents. That's your next support. And we should hopefully get a bounce from that point. I mean, if you look at the day chart MACD, you're losing your bullish momentum rather quickly here with these candles getting smaller and smaller and smaller every day. You were overbought in the RSI flashing red saying, hey, it might be a good time to take some profit. And you did print a sell signal on the day WTX. And like the video that I made on it yesterday, every time we printed a sell signal on the WTX on the day chart, it has been accurate. It has been accurate. Yeah, so there's I actually want to look at Baby Bonk. Baby Bonk's coming back from the dead today. A lot of dog coins are running today. Yo, look at this. Baby Bonk has finally flipped bullish on the MACD. It's been bearish since January 29th. The entire month of February, you've been bearish on the MACD and you just flipped bullish. If that's not a bottom signal for Baby Bonk, I don't know what is. Yo, we got some super chats. The Rising Sun, can I look at Shib? Absolutely. Then we got Kusama Gaming, Simba and Sui. It's the next Myro of Sui, small cap, easy 50 to 100x. He sent me 200 SEK. Probably like what, 20 bucks. Appreciate the super chats, guys. Let's get into that. Can I look at SHIB? We'll start off with SHIB first. Shiba, ooh, look at that. Back from the dead. It has risen. Wow. Lot of dog coins are running today, as I just mentioned before we looked at this chart. If we go from the all-time high to the bottom here on Coinbase, we wicked right up to the 0.5 area. Day chart MACD, huge engulfing candle today. Very, very large engulfing candle today. We are overbought on the RSI and it is flashing red. This is the highest we've ever been on the RSI on the Coinbase. I mean, do we have a chart that goes further back? Do we have a chart that goes further back than Coinbase? We probably have. It has to be MEXC, right? Yeah, MEXC goes back way further. Yo, Kusama Gaming gifting 5 memberships. That's awesome. I appreciate it, brother. Kevin, Jeremiah, Mr. XBT, and KK are all members now. I appreciate the support, brother. Yeah, same thing here on the MEXC one. Top to bottom, you hit off the 0.5 indicators. Huge engulfing candle on the MACD still. You're overbought on the RSI. We're off the charts on the WTX. We've only been this high one other time, and we got a sell signal. So I'd be keeping a close eye on that. The real indicator is gonna be the 4 hour. Wow, the 4 hour is not even pulling back either. The 4 hour is not even pulling back. Yeah, it's still running. Yeah, I'd be keeping an eye on this 21817 area. That's the resistance. If you break over that, you're running up to the 618. Not financial advice though, but not financial advice. This might be a good spot to take some profit if you're riding it. So you have your nice step up pattern going. We could see something like that. Retracement back down to the 382 and then a rally up to the 618, which would continue the step up pattern. And step up patterns normally happen in waves of 5s. Usually happen in waves of 5s, and each step is progressively larger. As you can see, the first step right here was small, second step was larger, the third step will be larger, the fourth step will be larger, and then you'll have a really big fifth step. It's called the step up pattern, or some people call it an expanding wedge pattern. As you can see, you actually broke above the wedge pattern too. Damn. Yeah, keep an eye on that 21887 area as resistance. If we don't break over that, we're heading back down to the 382 at 15, and that should be our support area. But who knows, man? When SHIB runs. It's been a while since SHIB has done anything at all. Yeah, that 382 was big resistance back here. But if you look at prior history, if you draw the horizontal line at that 0.5, I think I'm making the case that we're going to get rejected from there, because back in 2021 and 2022, that was a very, very large support area, as we can tell with how many times we bounced off of it. So there's a lot of our prior price history. Try saying that 10 times fast. Prior price history around that area. So yeah, I think for the time being, we're going to probably see a rejection and a retracement, and then a continuation up to the 1618. That's what I'm seeing for SHIB. Yeah, I don't think it's done running yet. I just think we're going to see a slight cool down, then SHIB's going to continue to run. Dog coins are ripping right now. Yo, welcome, future millionaire. And then Kusama Gaming with another super chat says Simba Ansui. Simba the Lonely Lion. It's this one right here, right? Yeah, it's this one right here. Yeah, man, this chart's looking pretty good, actually. You guys ran right up to the 618, and you definitely show a bottom signal right here. You guys definitely did bottom on February 4th. And since February 4th, you guys have just been ripping, absolutely ripping here. You smacked right into that 618 perfectly at 8427. Got a rejection off of that, and now it looks like you're finding some common ground at 5639. And 5639, if you go to the all-time resistance area there, that was our resistance area back in January 11th and January 13th of 2024. So now that area is support. So it was a heavy resistance. We broke above it here on the 26th, and it is now acting as support. So I think this is about ready to make another run up, in my personal opinion. The MACD is losing its bearish momentum, heading towards a bullish crossover here. The RSI is sitting good at around 50. So yeah, I would assume you'd be seeing a large move here back up to the 618 and possibly up to that 786 for Simba. Believe it or not, we actually found Simba. It was brought to my attention. We actually found Simba when it was 10,000 market cap. We found it when it was way down here. But yeah, this is probably one of the better coins on Sui, like the Myro of Sui. There's like only a couple meme coins on Sui that actually are moving and that actually have the chance of breaking out, and this is one of them. So if you guys want, you should definitely check out Sui Network and some meme coins on there. And this is probably one of the main meme coins that I would focus on Sui, would be Simba for sure. On top of that, I think they've been very active on their socials, which is another great indicator that I go by. But before I invest in anything, I look at, are they still active on their socials? How's the chart looking? What is the trend? And yeah, you can see they posted 5 hours ago, they posted 7 hours ago, 20 hours ago. So they're posting, they're very active on their socials, which is awesome. So you don't want to invest into a coin that isn't active and engaging with their community. Small market cap, easy 50x. Yeah, 50x from here is definitely doable, especially when Sui starts running. When Sui starts running, all the meme coins on Sui are going to start running, and Sui hasn't ran yet. Like if we look at Sui here, we'll look at it on, I guess we'll look at it on finance. Well, I guess Sui is kind of running, but Sui hasn't seen a bull run yet, has it? If I remember correctly, Sui's a rather new coin. Yeah, 10 months. Yeah, this coin's never seen a bull run. This coin's gonna rip during the bull run. I love investing in coins that have never seen a bull run before and that have strong fundamentals. So when this bad boy runs, those meme coins on Sui are absolutely gonna rip. So I'm going to take a flyer on this. Just to be transparent with you guys, I do own some of this. That's how much I believe in it. I think this thing's going to make some big gains in the bull run. But yeah, as of right now, it does look like we're hitting the bottom. It does look like we're bottoming, hitting that prior resistance as support. So something like this, and then a rally up here. So get that moon suit ready, boys. That's 100%. So a 2x move is in the making. Looking great. Yeah, guys, I really appreciate the super chats. Thanks for the support in the channel and the gifted memberships, man. I'm getting popular now. We got some members. Okay, so I got to all the super chats. Yeah, so hang on. What was there a reason? Was something happened to make SHIB run, right? I thought there was a catalyst. I thought something came out that was a catalyst that caused SHIB to run. Load. How to bridge. I am. Tweak includes the thread. Beware scams. I thought they had some sort of catalyst. SHIB names launch. SHIB name. Oh, maybe this is it. This might be one of the catalysts that caused the run. SHIB names launch March 5th. Real world assets are coming to SHIB. Okay. Beer, in fact, did you know that the transaction fee in Shibarium is low? Yeah, man. SHIB's definitely entering his bull run. Congrats on the SHIB holders. I don't own any SHIB. Oh, it's an app. You taking a look. So this is it right here then. Here's a sneak peek. I don't know if I should click this. Oh, I clicked it. Get ready for SHIB names. In December, we announced a partnership with SHIB to launch dedicated SHIB name tokens to their community. And today we're excited to announce that early access to SHIB names is right around the corner. Save the date, Tuesday, March 5th. The bull run's the yeah, you are not wrong there. The bull run is definitely the catalyst. We'll start seeing random coins fly out of nowhere. That is very true. That is very true. Tyler, I see a bearish divergence on Grail 4 hour, but it's still flying. What am I missing? Oh, we're in the bull run. That's why it's flying. Grail? I guess, is it Camelot? Is this it? When do you think we'll top out? 2024 or 2025? I have two different charts, two different theories on that. I have a chart that says we top out in 2025, and I have a chart that says we top out in 2024. There are a lot of firsts. And we'll get into that after I look at this real quick. It might be a long rant. But yeah, you broke above your 618. That was the catalyst here on Grails. You were below that 618 for so long. All the entire 2024, you've been below the 618. And you had a lot of fake outs after that. But as soon as you broke above it here, you started moving. So Grail's actually looking like we're running up to the 786 right here at around 2,750. I mean, you smashed through that resistance area. And now the next resistance area. Yeah, the next resistance area is a 786, and indicators are looking strong. You're not overbought on the RSI. You're rather close though. You're not printing a sell signal on WTX. The MACD is still making large engulfing candles. So I would say Grail's still bullish up to the 786 at 2826, which is approximately another 16% move to the upside for Grail. Yeah, Grail's looking good. Not bad at all. So let's see. Let's see if where's my charts? I have some charts somewhere. So BTC, I think it's right here. I think we have to go to the weekly though. Let me see. Are all my scribbles on this one or no? Nope, it's not this one. It had to be that one. Oh, don't tell me I lost my chart. So I had man. Let me see if I can find my chart real quick on BTC. I think it was on the Bitstamp one. It's got to be here. This is the Bitstamp one. Oh, I lost it. I made a video on it. I know that doesn't help right now, but I don't have my chart, so I can't chart it. Look at that DXY. I think there's a small chance that we top out in 2024. All on-chain data is pointing to 2025, but we do have a lot of first on BTC. BTC, like a lot of the retail investors and everything like that. We've never hit an all-time high before a halving, and if we hit an all-time high before the halving, I would have to assume that the all-time high would be between November and February of this year if we hit a new all-time high before the halving. Now, a lot of people are going off this top right here for BTC as the top, but all on-chain data is oh my gosh, sound like Porky the Pig. All on-chain data points at this being the top for BTC. I know this was technically a higher high, but all on-chain data points to that being the high, which if the market is respecting that, the 4-year cycle is out the window. Everything just got shifted to the left, which means everything's earlier now, because that'd be an earlier top than the previous bull run tops. And if it was earlier, then the bear market bottom was earlier, which the bear market bottom was earlier than the other bear market bottoms. So as of right now, it does look like things have moved to the left a little bit. So that would put the 4-year cycle out the window, but we really won't know that until after this cycle's over, if the 4-year cycle's over, right? But I am going to be very, very observant between November and February. If I'm seeing top signals around then, I'm going to have to say the top is in and I'm going to get out of the market. I know there's people who are solely relying on the 4-year cycle, and I get it. It worked a couple times in the past. Why doesn't it work now? But things change. I mean, we hit a lot of news. We hit a lot of new things on BTC. First thing, we hit a double top on BTC in a bear run. We didn't have an absolute blow off top like we had the last two times. So just a lot of firsts that we've experienced so far. So first time getting a new all-time high before the halving's possible, and then first all-time, and then blow off top end of 2024, beginning of 2025. And you know what? If I'm wrong, then we know that the top's going to be the end of 2025. Yeah, but I may look back at my channel. I put, let me see if I can find it real quick. YouTube. I want to see if I can pull up that video that you guys need to check out on my channel real quick. Let me see. Go here. I can go here. And if I look for Bitcoin, I think it was called like Bitcoin cheat sheet or something like that. I posted it last week, I believe. And I post way too many videos. Right here. So it's this one. I'm not gonna show anything. No, it's this one right here. Go on my channel and type in Bitcoin cycle cheat code. Bitcoin top November 2025 question mark. That's the only chart that I have that validates a 2025 bull run top. All the data that I'm seeing on here is pointing to a 2024 beginning of 2025 top. If you were to pick one to outperform the other, what would it be, Doge or SHIB? I would pick Doge. SHIB doesn't have the richest man in the world backing it. I think Doge, the crazy thing about Doge is I think Doge is probably going between $1.50 to $2. But if you just go by technicals alone, $4.25 is actually possible. I mean, by technicals. For example, boom. How do I do that? I went top to bottom. Yeah, okay, that's how we'll do it. So if we go from the bull run top from 2013 to the bottom, to the bear market bottom of 2015, look at what happened. Your next bull run top hit the 1618 perfectly, right? And what we mentioned prior in the live stream, normally when you go from a bull market top to a bear market bottom, the next blow off top's usually at the 1618. So that's exactly what happened here on the first bull run top to bear market bottom. Your next bull run top hit the 1618 on Dogecoin. Now, if we go from the bull run top to the bear market bottom here, funny enough, look at where we hit on our April of 2021 all-time high. Right to the candle body right here. Yeah, we wicked above it, but right to the candle body, we hit the 1618 again, absolutely perfectly. So that's 2 times in a row now. You could have just said, hey, I'm not going to sell my Dogecoin until at the 1618, and it would have been correct. So it's been correct 2 times. Why can't it be correct 3 times? And if it's correct 3 times, the 1618 sitting up here, at about $4.25. Now, I even think that's crazy. The market cap would be absolutely astronomical, but we'll see, man. There's supposed to be a lot of money coming in, and you can see last time, boom, boom, hit the 1618, blow off top, and then you go top to bottom here, hit the 1618 on our most recent blow off top. So why can't it be accurate 3 times in a row? So technically speaking, $4 is possible. I know that sounds insane, but realistically, I'd be keeping an eye on around this 1236 area for a Doge run, a Doge run top. But we'll see, man. We'll see. J Lau, how's your day? Day's doing great, brother. Fortunately, I have to work the weekend. I have to go into work tomorrow. I have to be there at 6 a.m. Kind of sucks. I think he can do it. Yeah, I mean, $4.25. Technically speaking, it's done it every single time. It's done it every single time in NBA history. Every single time that it's been out, it's respected that. So we'll see. Boom, boom. Yo, we got 22 people in the chat. I'm Mr. Popular today. This is the most we've had in a while, believe it or not. Where are we? I don't even know where I'm at. I'm just gonna pick a coin and do it. So Joshua Stewart says Arc Block. Let's get it rolling. Let's see, Arc Block. ABT down 1% at $1.85. $179 million market cap with 98 million coins in circulation. About half of those coins are in circulation from the total. The all-time high was, wow, all-time high was 8 days ago. Congrats. All-time high was 8 days ago. You're down 23%. All-time low was 4 years ago. If you would have bought 4 years ago, you'd be up 35x. Currently available on the following markets: Coinbase with the leading volume. Yo, look at that. Absolutely insane. Why am I looking at the 10-day? Holy guacamole. Huh, I must have charted this recently. Okay, so as of right now, we're actually in a very similar pattern that we were in back here. We have our downtrend resistance area to contend with here, with a slight uptrend resistance area to contend with here. Go to the 4 hour, you can see we are consolidating within the symmetrical triangle. Indicators, however, are calling for a slight pullback. So this is going to be a really good test of this uptrend support area sitting at around $1.75. You do not want to break $1.75. If you break below $1.75, that's going to be bad news bears, and you'll probably start capitulating from that point. But for Arc Block, what you can see is if you go top to bottom right here, we are currently bouncing off that 618. So that's a very, very powerful support where we're currently at, bouncing off the 618 right here at 175. So I'm going to make the assumption that Arc Block's getting ready to make another move to the upside, possibly up to the $3 range, that 1236, or blow off at $4. Indicators aren't looking bad whatsoever. I mean, the day chart's looking a little iffy, but I wouldn't be too concerned about the day chart. Be focusing on this. So keep an eye on that 618. We do not want to fall below $1.75. If we fall below $1.75, we'll reassess the situation. If you fall below $1.75, you're coming way down here to $1.25. There's just a price volume gap. But I think that $1.75 is going to hold, and we'll see a run up to probably that 1236 at around $2.85. Yo, keyboard warrior with the super chat. First super chat. I appreciate it, brother. Thank you very much. Could you do technicals for Helium Mobile? Absolutely. Let's look at Helium. Is it called Helium or is it called Helium Mobile? Oh, Helium. Okay, so there's two different Heliums? What? Oh boy. Oh, is this the free coin? I don't know what this is. I'm not even gonna pretend. I thought you got a free coin for buying the phone. So Helium Mobile, $278 million market cap. It has a circulating supply of 100,000 million billion, 84 billion out of an infinite max supply. All-time high was 2 months ago. You're down 57%. All-time low was 4 months ago. You're up 42x. Curious to see what this is. Helium network represents. Okay, this just brings you to the Helium website. What is it? What is it? Let's see. Yeah, I have no idea what Helium Mobile even is. It's not even saying what it is. Mobile tokens can be traded on centralized token. What is the daily trading volume? What's the all-time high? What is blah, 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 blah. It doesn't have like an about. Oh, whatever. Let's chart it. So it's just called Helium Mobile at Mobile, M-O-B-I-L-E. I wonder if it's on here too, M-O-B-I-L-E. Might have more data on it here. 9 months ago. Yeah, this is it. Ah, there we go. This is the chart we want to look at. This has a lot more data on it. A lot more data. MACD. I wish these indicators would just stay on the dang chart. I don't know why every time I go to a coin, they have to be reset. There's probably a way to lock them on there. I just don't know how. All right, so mobile right now, top to bottom on the fibs, currently finding support at the 382. Yeah, man, it looks like Helium Mobile bottomed. This was a massive resistance area for mobile going back to January 2024, and we broke above it on February 14th, 2024, and then got rejected at the 0.5. Now we're going back down to the 382, but now that we're above the 382, that 382 is going to act as support, and you can kind of see it already is here on the 4-hour time frame. We kind of wick down to it, and we're starting to see a rally to the upside. On top of that, the indicators are looking good as well. You're actually losing your bearish momentum. So losing your bearish momentum means you're gaining bullish momentum. And the RSI definitely had a bottom here. This is not the lowest RSI has ever been, but normally when we wick this low on the RSI, it's been a bottom. For example, our previous time we were this low was back here on the RSI, January 23rd, which was right here, followed by a massive move up to that 382. Other than that, it was January 3rd, which was a wick down here. Then we had the massive move up, and then going back, there's not a whole lot there. I mean, we can blow it up, but yeah, just not a whole lot there. But you can see the last couple of times that the RSI was this low, we had really nice recovery bounces. So what I would be expecting for mobile right now would be a recovery bounce off this 382, which could possibly send it up to that 618 right here. You can see the reason we got rejected is because we had a double top right here, but I think the rejection is complete, and we'll be starting to see a move up for mobile. So in the short term, if we remove our drawings and do a fresh fib, on the short term, top to bottom right here, what we want to focus on overtaking is the 618 on the short term, which is at 0035. You overtake 0035, you're heading up to that 786 at 0038. Now, if we look at our current top to the bottom, this is the current downtrend resistance area that we're contending with, and you can see it converges right on that 618 here on the short term. So that is the most critical price area that we need to focus on right now, is the 618 at, let's see what the exact price is. Is it at around 3450? 3450. If you break above that for Helium Mobile, you'll probably start seeing a very, very quick bullish trend to the upside. Very similar to the last two times your RSI and MACD were this low, something similar to that one there, and this move right here, which could bring us up back to the high or possibly up to that 1272 area. So yeah, Helium Mobile is looking good. It's definitely looking like a bottom form, and we're gearing up for a move to the upside. So I appreciate the super chat. Thank you. Hopefully that's helpful. Yeah, we got Stragahart in the house. You know, Lily, what's up, CC? Long time no see. Yeah, it's been a while. I haven't done a live stream in a hot minute. Yo, what's up with Akita? Akita will run eventually. I think we need to look on here. I had Akita for a while, but then I moved on to something else. Yo, imagine if Akita went back to the all-time high. Yeah, Akita right now is getting stopped out at the 382 at approximately 2178 micro pennies. So if we break above this, we'll start moving up to the 618. If we get rejected here, that's going to form a double top, and then Akita's going to see a retracement to the downside. Now, Akita has been bullish since October of 2023, believe it or not. You put in a high here, higher low, higher high, higher low. So hopefully put in a higher high and continue the pattern for Akita. So you're gearing up, you're on it right now. This is actually a very important price area for Akita. Now let's see what the indicators are showing. MACD, RSI. Yeah, RSI is a little high. MACD's still bullish. So yeah, we're gearing up, man. It's make or break time for Akita. Akita's market cap's only 2 million, or there's only 20 million too. So that's what I'd be keeping an eye on. I mean, imagine if Akita went back to the all-time high. That'd be massive. That would be 188x, almost a 200x back to the high. Yeah, Akita will run eventually. All dogs will run eventually. Aerodrome finance to the moon. AERO, huh? What other? So it's on BitGit. Let's see if we have a chart with a little bit more data on it. Oh, this is A0. A0 subs. I'm just kidding. AERO. I guess we have to go off Coinbase, don't we? Unless we have an older chart on here. %, 18 million, age 5 months, age 5 months. No, it's the same chart. Same chart. Wow, this thing's been running. Almost a 7x since the 22nd of February. Holy guacamole. Massive, massive run there, guys. Let's get this out of the way. Date or 4-hour chart right now is looking bearish. I mean, you wicked all the way down here with the candle, the body still up here. Indicators are slowing down. Top to bottom right here, you wicked right to the 786. I think in the meantime, we'll probably slowly be bleeding our body down to the 786 as well. I'd be keeping an eye on 40 cents in the short term. You've been overbought since the 26th of February. Your MACD is losing its bullish momentum, and you just got 3 sell signals on the WTX. And the WTX does look like a possible double top as well. So I think in the meantime, this run might just see a slight retracement, a cool down phase, one would say, at least back down to around 40 cents. Then we'll reassess once we get back down to 40 cents. So from where we're currently at, that 40 cent area is approximately a 21% drop. So I'd be keeping an eye on that. Day chart, yeah, day chart's overbought. Day chart's massively overbought. Yeah, so just keep an eye on that slight pullback, 786, and then continuation to the upside. Boom, boom. Something like that. It's looking good. Took profit 10K on Arrow. I'm good. Holy cow. Good job. Good play. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. This is the play that I'm in right now. I got in on this candle right here. I got in 100K market cap and trying to figure out if it's going to go parabolic or not. Kind of tough. It's looking like it wants to. It's looking like it wants to. Baby Pepe. Not even at $1 million market cap yet. Look at that. Perfect bounce off the 786. Start rallying to the upside. Next stop 1272, which from where we're currently at would be another, that'd be another 31% pump, which is definitely doable with a small market cap coin. Yo, let's go. I'm gonna retire off Baby Pepe. I'm gonna retire off Baby Pepe. Let's go. Yeah, Baby Pepe is looking so strong. Baby Bonk's coming back from the dead too. Up 21% today. They actually started posting articles in Bloomberg before. Yeah, we didn't get into the TA Baby Bonk. I got distracted. This is the first time we flipped bullish on the day chart since January 28th of 2024, guys. We've only had one green day, believe it or not, on the MACD. One green day, and everything was followed by less bullish, less bullish, less, bearish. So this is the first time, pretty much the first time since January 17th that we've been extremely bullish on Baby Bonk. So I'm curious to see. This is the downtrend here, guys. We break out of this, it's to infinity and beyond, and it does look like we found the bottom here. So fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. And if we go to their socials, man, they post like nuts. I love it. I love it. I love it. Not their website. I think their games launch in the next day or so too. Yeah, starting today from 5:30 p.m. UTC, we'll be burning all the taxes received from that time until Sunday. So all the taxes they receive from trading, they're burning. All the marketing. Wow, that is going to be a huge burn. That's going to be massive. After the specified period, we will collect the taxes, conduct a buyback, and then burn it all. Imagine how much Baby Bonk they're going to be able to buy. Because if they're collecting 10% or 5% on buys, 5% on sells, they collect that in BNB. And if they're gaining that all over the weekend and then on Sunday they're gonna buy all the baby bonk with it and then burn it. That is insane. That is awesome marketing right there. Whales holding 1 quadrillion bonk have just received a sneak peek and the first test link. Oh shoot, that's me. Hang on, let me see. Did I receive a test link? Yeah, I gotta check my secret whale group for baby bonk. Yo, GG, I can play baby bonk. I can play bonk royale. Whales holding 1 quadrillion baby bonk have just received a sneak peek and the first test link of bonk royale web 2 game. We're going to release it for the entire community soon. We won't give you a specified date. We will drop the news at any moment. For now, FOMO about to kick in. So yeah, guys, so it looks like I'm actually able to play bonk royale right now. Yeah, maybe I'll play some bonk royale and give you guys holy crap, give you guys an update. Yep, I'm able to play bonk royale, so that's a that's a win right there. Cool. Baby Pepify listed on Maxi. I guess that's a different one, dude. Coins get listed. I don't want to get into it. I hate Maxi. CC, do you still hold your Doge chain? Yes, I absolutely still hold my Doge chain. I was super hype on Doge chain, and I haven't sold any of my Doge chain, but I'm just letting my Doge chain sit. Like, I keep on finding progressively different coins to invest in. So I was all hype on Doge chain, and I was investing all my funds into that, and then I found another coin, so I stopped investing all my funds in Doge chain, and then I just rotated to the next one. So I still own all the Doge chain that I ever bought, and Doge chain is looking extremely bullish. Now, we've mentioned it before, we've gone over it again, but let's see, there's quite a few people in here that I've never seen before, so we'll go over it another time again. So Doge chain, if you don't know, provides utility for Dogecoin. If we actually go to the Doge chain website, it says, it loads, Doge chain provides NFT, games, and DeFi for Dogecoin users. So instead of Dogecoin just being used for payments, you're able to build on top of Dogecoin with Doge chain. So it provides utility for Dogecoin. I'm extremely bullish on Doge chain. I think it's going to go to 5 to 10 cents during the bull run. And the reason I think that is because it provides utility for the biggest meme coin there is, Doge. And if you actually overlay Doge's chart on top of Doge chain, look at how close they follow each other. Maybe zoom this out a little bit. So you have, oh my gosh, 1 second. I'm a little rusty. Same scale. Oh, not same scale. No, I had it right. You can see the resemblance of the two. So you have Dogecoin in the orange and Doge chain in the colored, and they've pretty much been replicating each other massively. And normally Dogecoin runs before Doge chain. For example, you see Dogecoin started running right here in November 2021, and then it took a while for Doge chain to catch up before it started running again. So this leads me to believe that now that Dogecoin is having a large run, Doge chain is gearing up to take off. So if you're bullish on Dogecoin, you have to be bullish on Doge chain. So I don't own any Dogecoin. I'm extremely bullish on Dogecoin, but I do own a lot of Doge chain. And Doge chain provides utility for Dogecoin. And as you can see here, every movement that Dogecoin makes, Doge chain follows suit. So you can pick up Doge chain on the following websites or exchanges: QuickSwap, KuCoin, Mexi, Get.io, Bitmart, KibbleSwap, HTX, YodaSwap, never heard of that, CoinX, and Doge Swap. Yeah, I'm extremely bullish on Doge chain. We're up 25% today. I think Doge chain is easily going to go to 5 to 10 cents. I mean, if Dogecoin is going to $1, $1.50 to $2, Doge chain will easily go to 5 to 10 cents, which is where we're at. What would that be? Would be about, keep going. I know you sound, it sounds insane, but that's only $1 billion market cap. That's an 89x to 5 cents, and that's only $1 billion market cap. I've seen meme coins, dog meme coins, go to multi-billion-dollar market caps during a bull run. And what a better coin to do it than the coin that provides utility for Dogecoin, right? What a better coin to do it than Dogechain. So yeah, I think Dogechain is going up to around 5 to 10 cents during the bull run. It's just a matter of breaking out. Now you do have a couple resistance areas that we are contending with. You did break out of quite a few in the past. Like you broke out of this one right here. And then after that one, you just have another one right here. This is our moon line. This is our moon downtrend right here. If Dogechain gets over, I'd say 1.6, so 1,600 micropennies, that's when it's going to start moving fast, like very, very fast. And some people, if you draw like this, I know this looks kind of crazy for TA here, but you only need to touch 3 areas in order to make a trend, in order to count it as valid. So it touches 3 areas. You can see the all-time high it touches here, and it's touching it right now. So some people are saying that this might be the breakout point that we're gearing up for, and we're right on it right now. And indicators are a little hot, but we're not showing signs of slowing down. The highest the WTX has ever been, the highest the RSI, not the highest the RSI has ever been. We have a lot of room we could run in the RSI actually. And then the MACD, oh shoot, what just happened? I just got rid of my MACD. And the MACD just had a nice engulfing candle today. Opened some longs and totally got crapped on. Yeah, at this point, people who just do spot trading are gonna make more money than people who are futures trading, especially with the parabolic phase of the bull run being so close. But yeah, I feel you there, man. I used to futures trade a lot, like a lot. You have your good days and you have your bad days. Yo, Marcos, Doge is bullish. New to your channel. Yeah, Doge is extremely bullish. Extremely bullish. Musician Man Miracle says BabyFi listed on MEXC today. Usually after coins get listed on MEXC, they tank. Let's check something real quick. Yeah, usually after coins get listed on MEXC, they tank. I mean, we can check it out. DOGEFI. Actually, probably want to check it out on a DEX because it has a lot more information. Baby Pepe Fi. Oof. Well, hopefully it does something, but the chart doesn't look too hot. But who knows? Sometimes those are the best plays. Like, sometimes those are the best plays. I don't know. Not a whole lot I can say about this. Kind of in no man's land. Kind of in no man's land. Yeah, no comment. No comment. Look at the dragon chain or yeah, I've looked at dragon chain before. I already have my plays. Oh, I can't find it anyways. DRNG. That's not a coin, bro. No such thing. No such thing. Is DRNG Tesla? I don't see how it would be. Yeah, no idea what DRNG is. Doesn't show up anywhere. Oh, is it a stock? Is it a stock? Oh, DRGN. To the moon. Oh, hang on. Oh, it's Dragon Chain. Yo, this thing's coming back from the dead. Holy crap. Where's the top on this thing? Let's see. So Dragon Chain, what's the market cap and everything? $48 million market cap. Yo, it's trying to come back from the dead. Last bull run, it went up to 43 cents. Last bull run, it went up to 43 cents. We'll see though. I mean, if it goes up to its high, that's not that big of a gain. If you think about it, that's only a 3x. I mean, 3x is doable. I think there's probably better coins to invest in though, but it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. It looks looking like it's getting ready to run, but I think there's better coins to invest in. What's your opinion about people saying this is the last hyped bull run, most hated, etc.? Most normies still not in crypto. Yeah, most normies aren't still in crypto. Believe it or not, I think I remember seeing statistics that only 2% of the population are in crypto. Only 2% of the entire population in crypto. Last hype bull run, it's a very good possibility that this might be the last like easy bull run. I wouldn't say last hyped bull run. It might be the last easy bull run to make money. And then after that, once, you know, the ETFs and everything just start being massive and, you know, those big hedge funds and everything get their grips on everything, it's gonna be hard to make money. I mean, not hard. There'll still be, you know, there'll still be the 100x plays and stuff like that, but it won't be as easy next time around. So yeah, I think this is the last easy bull run, I would say. I don't think it's gonna be the last hyped, just the last easy. And easy is very I say easy very lightly because nothing's easy. But I already picked my coins for this bull run. I'm all in. My bags are packed. My bags are loaded. So I'm either gonna make it this bull run or I'm not. Not shuffling my portfolio around anymore. All my coins are on my ledger. My ledger is locked away in my gun safe. Actually, it's not locked away in my gun safe. So, just kidding. But yeah, I'm not messing with it anymore. We're either gonna make it this bull run or we'll come back the next. Oh man, I don't know if I could sit through another bear market, but we'll see. We're not even gonna talk about that. We're not even gonna talk about that. Kevin says, how about ORDs? ORDs or ORDs? ORDs. Sounds like works. To the moon. To the moon. Oh boy. Everything to the moon. Just already, oh shoot. Already swapped down 7.4% at 20 cents. $109 million market cap, 206 million fully valuation. We got 529 million coins in circulation. So we got about 52% of the coins in circulation, which is awesome. All-time high was 2 days ago at 27 cents. All-time low was 2 months ago at 3.6. Currently available on the following markets: MEXC, GetIO, XT. Leading volume still on Uniswap. If it's on Uniswap, it's got to have more. Shoot, where am I at? Dang. Too many windows. Not wordy. It wasn't wordy. What was it? Words. Yo, that's a nice chart. That is a very, very nice chart. This is the day 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, ORDS is looking a little toppy right now. Indicators are retracing pretty heavily as well. Top to bottom right here. I would make an assumption that you're going down to the 618. I would make the assumption that we're heading down to the 618 here right now at approximately 19. No, that's not that much further, is it? 19 cents where we're currently at, which would be 3% drop. Yeah, we have to bounce there though. That's the thing. You can't break below that. This is your uptrend support. If you break below the 618, that's when we're to start falling. Least, not last. Is the least hype bull run? People saying this. People saying this is the least hype bull run, most hated. Yeah, I don't believe that whatsoever. I think this is the most hyped bull run. It's gonna be probably the largest bull run that we've ever experienced. Even if you haven't experienced one before, this is probably gonna be the largest bull run in crypto. But for Ordi SWAT, keep it on the 618. We break below the 618, we're going to zero. We're not gonna go to zero, but we'd see a heavy correction. So either we got to bounce here, we break below the 618, we're heading all the way down to 15 cents as the next support. So yeah, you're getting there. I mean, indicators have retraced. You're pretty much neutral here on the WTX at 0. RSI sitting at approximately 56, not bad. And the MACD is bearish. So fingers crossed. Just keep an eye on 19 cents. You don't want to fall below 19. Otherwise, GG. I was going to stay for a bit, but then I was like, nah, it's dropping too hard. What were you talking about? What were you leveraging? Doge? Or Doge Chain? Yo, Road Dog Crypto in the house. What's up? What's up, brother? The bull run is upon us. The bull run is upon us. Hey, all newbies in the chat. If you guys haven't checked Road Dog Crypto out yet, make sure you check out his YouTube channel. He has a lot of great alpha on there. I love his content. It's very interactive. Keeps you very entertained while he's doing crypto. I like it. I like it a lot. Render. R-E-N-D-E-R. Yo, render to the moon. Everything to the moon. Holy guacamole. Yo, insane. Insane. Bam, bam. 5x. Ooh, render's looking like it's about ready to fall off a cliff, though. Yeah, day chart's not looking that hot. Top to bottom of the initial run here. Your MACD on the day chart's heading towards a bearish crossover. Each one of these lighter green candles is a bearish day, heading towards a bearish crossover. We did flash red on the RSI saying, hey, might be a good time to take some profit. And also, right on cue, we printed a sell signal on the WTX. So for render right now, there's two different situations. Either we have a fake out here and continue up, or we crash down to the 618 at approximately $6.50. So I'd be keeping an eye on 650 and then a continuation up, because at 650, I think that's the uptrend convergence. Yeah, see that 618 from this uptrend, that's kind of the convergence area right here. So I wouldn't be shocked if we saw something like that and hit that convergence area and then rallied up for render. So I'm going to be bearish on render here in the short term. I just think we need to see a slight cool down retracement. And that's a 15% drop. So I'd keep an eye on a 15% drop, and then we could rally up from that point on. And also on the uptrend resistance area, it does look like we smacked right into it. As you can see, we topped out here October 2023. We topped out here November 2023. We topped out here December 23. December 23 again, December 23 again, and then we just hit it a couple times again. So that uptrend resistance area has just been brutal to us. It's just been beating us like crazy. So I'm going to be expecting a pullback here on render. So Musician Man, I try to stay up nights to catch the action, but last night I thought it'd be okay to get some regular sleep. All the best entries were during the night on Whiff, Ship, Doge, BCA. Yeah, it's crazy, man. I mean, you can't catch the bottom on all of them, but I understand the feeling. I understand the feeling. That was so nasty. Road Dog, they took my $3. Yeah, it is a meme day, and my meme coins are running. My meme coins are running. All right, guys, with that, I do have time to chart one more coin tonight. I will be doing a much longer live stream tomorrow, but unfortunately, I drew the short end of the stick, and I have to be into work tomorrow really early. Yes, I am working a Saturday. But hopefully it is one of the last weekends I'll ever work, because once we make it in this crypto thing, man, um, no more working for the man, hopefully, right? That's everybody's dream. So who wants the last coin charted of the night before I go to sleep? I'll take the next person who comments. The next person who comments a coin, that's the coin I will chart. Don't everybody comment at once. All right, all right. Okay, well, I mean, since nobody wants the coins charted, we will end the live stream, but I appreciate everybody who tuned into the live stream. Tomorrow, we're gonna have a much longer live stream, more in depth. It's time for bed. You gotta wake up in the morning. Oh, Kevin, hang on, we do have one. He got it. He made it before the buzzer. He made it before the buzzer. Orange juice? An M or an N? M-O-O-M-J or O-R-N-J? Wow, what is that? Is that an M? I can't see right now, brother. I'm assuming it's O-R-N-J. It looks like an M. Did you ever notice that if you put an R and an N together, it looks like an M? Yeah, look at that. Doesn't that look like an M? Yo, what do we got here? Yo, this thing's about ready to rip. Yo, boom, boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Holding support at the 382. Got rejected off the 618 twice. Currently having a difficult time getting over the 0.5. This is actually looking real good. I would say consolidate in here until you see a breakout to the upside. Yeah, I think in the meantime, we're probably heading down to around 40 cents and then probably back up to 43, 44. And then when you break out of this, you're going to absolutely start moving. What is this coin? O-R-N, that's this, right? Orange, O-R-N-J. Yeah. 42. Yeah, this thing's getting ready to move. I would say the latest that it goes is March 7th. So it's probably going to move before March 7th. On or before March 7th, we should see a breakout to the upside. This chart looks extremely bullish. Bro, I sent super chat $2 for TRV. Did you? I don't think I missed the super chat. I see Rising Sun super chat, Kusama Gaming super chat. Kusama Gaming gifted $5. Keyboard Warrior said, could you do technicals for Helium Mobile? Those are the only 3 super chats that I got. Those are the only 3 super chats that I got. But if you say please, I'll do it. So CTSI. CTSI on the all-time high to the bottom. Oh, yes. Okay, so you sent it in the comments. Right. Okay. Yeah, we can look into that. That's right. My bad, brother. I didn't mean to be an asshole. So top to bottom here for CTSI, currently testing the 236 area out on the lifelong. I wouldn't be too worried about that. What I would be focusing on here in the short term is top to the bottom right here. Keep an eye on the 0.5 at approximately 48 cents. If we get rejected off the 48 cents, we're most likely coming back down to the 382 at around 38. Now, indicators are a little hot here on the day chart. You're actually losing your bullish momentum on the MACD. Your RSI is starting to tail back down, and your WTX is in the red. So for CTSI right now, I'd be expecting some sort of pullback, minimally down to 38 cents. And then the worst case scenario I would see is down to here. That's what I think is going to be the play. So J-Way says TRVL. So TRVL. No, we went over SHIB. We went over SHIB at the beginning of the stream. If you scroll back to where I went over Rising Sun's request, he had me look at SHIB, and I think SHIB's going to see a slight pullback. I think that was like the third or fourth coin we charted in the live stream. If you want to zoom back and look at it. Travela DTR Ava is partnering with Binance. Travela Ava ETA and TRVL. Okay, this is the last coin, and then I have to go to bed, guys. We're gonna be doing the live stream tomorrow, so make sure you guys tune in tomorrow. TRVL is up 37.3% at 6 cents, $19 million market cap, 303 million coins in circulation out of 1 billion. So about 30% of the coins are in circulation. All-time high was 2 years ago to $1.56. All-time low was 4 months ago. If you would have picked this coin up 4 months ago, you'd be up 2x on your investment. It's currently available on the following exchanges: Pancake, Uniswap, Bybit, KuCoin, Gate.io, Mexi. Now, if we look at some of their socials here, such as Twitter, see if they're active. Permissionless travel, Web3 infrastructure, and apps for vacation rentals. Whoa, I like it. February 29th, not that long ago, we're excited to announce the publication of Night Protocol Light Paper. Night Protocol is a momentum innovation that will change travel forever. Weekly progress on the paper. The Night Protocol is a momentum innovation. Night Protocol. Sweet. The Night Protocol Light Paper has just been launched. That's pretty cool. It's like a Trivago or whatever it is, but decentralized. Here's the chart, man. Woo, doosh. This goes all the way back to 2021. So as of the bull run top, because that was the bull run top, this is the bear market bottom right here. We actually did bottom out. We actually bottomed out here December 2022, then bottomed out again December 2023. So on the day chart, it doesn't look like a double bottom, but if you actually go to like the weekly chart, you'll definitely see the double bottom take place. 1, 2. So right now for travel, it does look like it's gearing up for its bull run. I will admit that. On the short term, if we draw our fibs from the top to the bottom right here, we can see that we are having trouble getting over that 382. We did wick above it, but we haven't broken above it yet. We wicked above it a couple times, but haven't broken over yet. So that is the area to keep a close eye on. That's around, I'd say that's around 7 cents. If you break above 7 cents, that's more to start seeing some heavy momentum to the upside. But indicators are bullish right now. We got a nice engulfing candle here on the day chart. We got the RSI that's starting to tail up. We got the WTX that is also tailing up, and we're not in the red yet. So I would make the assumption that we have a good chance of getting over the 6.6 area and heading up to around 8 cents for travel. We have been on a slight uptrend since October of 2023. As you can see, it hasn't been super dramatic, but it's been an uptrend nonetheless. You actually are in the secondary of your uptrend. There's normally 3 phases of an uptrend. You have your first, which is a slow slant up, as you can see right here. Then you have your second one, which is a steeper slant up, which is right here. And then eventually you get to your third, which is even steeper uptrend, which is something like, which is something like this. So we'll see. It does look like we're in phase 2 right now. So there's 2 different situations. Either we get rejected off this 382 and head back down to around 4.8 and then rally up, or we just break through this bad boy now. You do have some juice on the day chart to overtake it. You do have some momentum left on the RSI and everything like that. So long behold, man, you've been bullish since October 2023. And it's just a matter of time until you start seeing movement again. Just a matter of time. You can kind of see what happened when we broke above that 382 right here. We went absolutely nuts all the way up to the 786 back in February 24. Yeah, so I'd keep an eye on something like this. Boom, boom, boom. Doesn't look bad at all. Doesn't look bad at all. And if it went back to the all-time high, how high would that be? Holy crap. A 19x back to the all-time high. That's definitely doable. I'm never buying Jasmine. You will never, ever, ever see me buy Jasmine. Ever. Oh, did I mention? I'll never buy Jasmine. Oh boy, so it's a better Airbnb. I believe it, man. If I had to travel, I'd use it. If I had to travel, I'd use it for sure. I mean, let's look at their website. Their Discord, Telegram, YouTube, LinkedIn. Wow, there we go. But oops. All right, guys, with that, I appreciate everybody tuning in the live stream. Please tune in tomorrow to the live stream. Unfortunately, I am cutting this one short. I do have to be up very, very early in the morning. I hope you guys understand. I do appreciate all the super chats, all the support, all the new people in the chat. It's awesome, guys. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. If you haven't already, make sure you join my Discord channel. I do have a link below in the description. If that link doesn't work, for some reason it doesn't work, if you check my last video that I uploaded, that is a new Discord link. That should take you to the Discord. We're on there daily. There's a request section. We have good TA people in the Discord. So if you want TA and I'm not available, you can ask people in the Discord and they'll give you their thoughts and some TA. So if you guys like TA and that's something you guys want more regularly, you can join the Discord. We have some really good technical analysis in the Discord as well. But with that, guys, I appreciate everybody tuning in, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow on the next live stream. Thanks, everybody. I hope you guys have a great weekend.